Okay, everybody, my name is Lowell, and welcome to the channel. So somebody sent me this link for speed comparisons of birds, and I thought, okay, that's interesting. I've never thought about it, but anyway, so let's jump in. I thought this would be something a little bit different, a little bit fun. So let's do speed comparisons of birds. Let's jump in and let's have a look at it, shall we? Oh, the penguin. 2.4 miles. Oh. 15 kilometers for a chicken? Huh? Okay. Would not have thought that. Chicken can run that fast. Oh, what's that coming up the back? Peacock. Okay. 16 kilometers. Almost 10 miles an hour. That's pretty fast. Wait. A peacock can fly just as fast as it can run. That doesn't seem right, does it? Okay. A kiwi? 19 kilometers? What in the hell? Okay. "24 kilometers for an average human." Okay. So average human, I don't know what they consider average, I guess. 24 kilometers, as fast as a woodpecker can fly. Okay. What the hell bird is that? Hornbill. Okay. 18 miles an hour, 30 kilometers. Okay. A guinea fowl, 35. My in-laws had guinea fowls. They're good to put with chickens. They do like little blue eggs. Wow, 35 kilometers. Well, I guess they're pretty quick, but I didn't think they were that quick. Wow, that's fast. What is that? A finch. 40 miles. Wow. Okay. 25 miles an hour. That's pretty quick. Oh, blue jay. What is that? Oboe. 40. Okay, so they're all roughly about the same, 25 miles. That's got to be Usain Bolt, surely. 44.72 kilometers an hour. Almost 28. Seagull. See, that's why a seagull can steal your chips. They go 45 kilometers an hour. 28 miles an hour. Jesus. Now, if you're also interested, on the left-hand side, it is telling some stats of the birds as well, too. So, what is that? A shoebill. 48. Have you ever seen a shoebill? I'll put a photo on the screen there of a shoebill. They look like a dinosaur. 30 miles an hour. I wouldn't think that thing flew that fast at all. Aren't you? They are pretty big. I guess they've got that wingspan. What is that? Hummingbird. 30 miles an hour. Jeez. Okay. I had to pause it so it's so damn small. Oh, sparrow. Wow. Cassowary. Oh my god. 50 kilometers. Oh my god. Cassowary is an Australian bird that world's dangerous birds, pretty much. They have this hook on their claw that can disembowel you, basically. So, and they run at 50 kilometers an hour. There's no way you're getting away from that. Damn. Emus. They run the same speed? What? I thought emus were faster than that. Damn, cassowaries. Egret, 30 wide. So they're all roughly about this. Imagine being able to run as fast as you can fly. Damn. And McCall, gee, they're quick. Flamingo. You wouldn't think a flamingo would be that quick. 56 kilometers, almost 35 miles an hour. Wow. Okay. Bald eagle. Okay. Almost 40 miles. It's not too shabby. The same speed as a toucan. Oh my god. What in the hell? Oh, getting passed by an ostrich. Dang. 43.5 miles an hour. A snowy owl. A raven. 47.8 miles an hour. Oh, that's a trained raven, but geez, still 77 kilometers. Holy snap. What? Okay. A swan. When the hell did a swan go 50 miles an hour? What in the... A duck? Are you kidding? Oh my god. Oh my... Faster than an eagle, bald eagle. A vulture. What? 88 kilometers. A goose. 62 miles an hour for a goose. Wow. Is that a crow? Holy. Well, crow's a little bit faster than raven. Okay. Pheasant. Oh, when chased for short distances. I was going to say, I didn't think pheasants flew, but obviously they do. 100 k's an hour. That's our highway speeds in Australia. Holy moly. 62 miles an hour. That's cool. I can believe that. It's got to deliver all those babies overnight, so I'm not surprised. You know, it's got to fly. Whoa. I thought that falcon was the horizontal speeds. Okay. Dive bombs, I think it's 200 and something miles an hour. Okay, that makes sense. They're just flying speed. It's still 110 k's. Common swift. Well, I guess they are swift by name, swift by nature. Albatross, 80 miles an hour. Okay. 129 kilometers. Golden eagle. Yep. 30 years in the wild it lives up to. Dang. Pigeon? What in the... I guess that's why they used them in the war. They're quick. Jesus. A bat? 99 miles an hour. What in the hell? Hey, what? What are you doing? What's happening? Now, is a bat a bird? I thought a bat was a mammal. Oh, this is diving. A bald eagle diving 99.5 miles an hour. Dang. That really gets up there. Ooh. Common swift. Airspeed 103 miles an hour. Wow, that swift is quick. Oh, that's quick as well. Golden Eagle, 200 miles an hour. Holy sh... Wow. Yeah, there you go. 242 miles an hour. Dang. Whew. I don't think there's anything faster than that, is it? Nope. Didn't think so. Thank you to Red Side for putting that together. Holy moly. Some of them surprised me. Frickin' pigeon. What in the hell is going on with the pigeon? The crow surprised me as well. Very surprising. The one that surprised me was the bald eagle was so slow though. Because you look at those and you think, you know, they got pretty big, powerful, strong wings. You think they'd be quicker than that, but their dive speed almost 100 miles an hour. That's pretty bloody quick. So, but that falcon at the end, 245 miles an hour. That is quick. That's a dive bomb for sure. But that was very interesting. Very interesting. Starting off with the slow little penguin and then finishing with the, I don't know if would count a bat. I mean, I know it does fly, but it's not really a bird. It's a mammal. So I don't know if we'll throw it in for honorable mention. But yeah, some of them surprised me. They definitely did. Like the toucan. Very, very surprising. But that was very interesting. I love the video. Love the video. So as I said, thank you to Red Side for putting that out. If you want to check out their channel, I will put the link to their this video and their channel in the description. So they do a lot of comparisons on their channel. So definitely go check them out. But let me know. Let me know what you thought of that. Let me know if you had a surprise in that, or maybe one that was not in there that you know, which is pretty quick. Pigeon. What in the... As I said, I guess that's why they used them for the war, you know, so because they are so quick and they do come home as well too. So, yeah, that's pretty quick. That's pretty quick. Wow. Okay. Okay. Let me know if you thought that was interesting. So guys, thank you very much for joining me today. Make sure you stay safe and I'll definitely see you in the next reaction video. Did you enjoy that video? Why not watch another one?